Hey traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the gold chart here. I'm going to go over some longer term levels, and then I'm going to kind of boil it down to the more recent action here to give you guys some specific trade ideas. So first and foremost, what I want to cover is that we saw a big retracement from these highs lower. And this is something we prepared you guys for ahead of time. So just to kind of review what we discussed before this retracement even happened is we mentioned this big time resistance up here. You can see the resistance started here to there, between this area, all right? And where do we get rejected? Right in the middle of it, all right? The next reason we got rejected, and this is again something we pointed out ahead of time, is we've got this big time trend line, downtrend line. You can see that it started here, got rejected there, and here we are getting rejected once again against that trend line. All right, so that's something we prepared you guys for ahead of time. Now, moving to the more recent action, I'll kind of delete all these and draw it out for you live. We mentioned that this was likely a bear flag, all right, because we broke that level, we broke this support, all right, we made a new low, all right, and this level right here was likely a bear flag, all right, and we mentioned that it was likely going to get rejected at or before the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, because when trends are moving, they are likely to stop and continue their trends at the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So for example, the trend is down here, so a retracement at the 61.8 would likely be where it would get rejected and continue its trend lower. So you draw it from the high here to the low there, and you can see that 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level is exactly where we got rejected at, all right? So this is something we've been preparing you guys for ahead of time. Now to the more recent action, I believe that we will continue lower. We could retrace higher a little bit before continuing this move lower, in which case I think it will get rejected right around 124 to 123.50, and that's based off of filling this gap that we made right here. We gap down, so a fill of that gap right there would be a good shorting area. It is also, I believe, right around the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. If you draw it from this high here to the low here, yep, you can see the 61.8 is right here around 124, just below 124 right here. So that is a 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. All right, so that's what we're looking at on gold. Very simple stuff. A retracement higher would be a great shorting opportunity. At least that's the way that I'm seeing it personally. What would invalidate this theory, this bearish theory, is if this high is broken. All right, if this high is broken, because right now this is a lower high compared to this. So here's a high, a lower high right here. So if we made a high higher than this high, then that would negate any bearishness, because then we'd be making higher highs. But I don't think that will happen. You always have to have a plan for if you are wrong, all right? You always have to. That is just sound risk management. So again, don't want that high to be broken if you short around this level. And the beauty of this is because the risk is so tight, okay? The risk is so tight. If you short here, right there, your risk is right up here, all right? Very close by. Whereas if you enter here on a short, I believe that it will head down to at least this level down here. You can see that, where we've bounced at several times here and here, and your reward is about twice as much as your risk, and that's just the first conservative target. I believe that it'll head even lower, most likely, down to this low area right around 118. If you're looking on the GLD chart, you can see that there was previous resistance right there, and that area will act as a support level on the way down. So again, very tight risk, and the reward, even on the first target, is twice as big as the risk, and even bigger down here. I think that's about 4 times the reward that you're risking. All right, so very sound analysis and trade here. I hope that this helps you out. And if you have any questions about that gold chart, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to chat with you. So what you're looking at right now is the real-time portfolio tracker. This is something that you'll get access to when you sign up and you join the premium membership community here. But what this is it tracks all of our trades that we take here at thetradinganalyst.com and alert to members in real time via text message. All right, all of our wins, our losses, our break-even trades, everything gets uploaded here. And the reason I'm showing this to you is because these videos are nice, and I hope that these videos help you out. But if you want more help, more detailed help, and if you want to actually have consistently profitable trades delivered to you in real time, then you have to sign up and join the premium service, because you can see these alerts are profitable. And that's why we're here in the market, is to make money in the market. We're not here to watch videos. We're not here to do anything other than everything that we're doing is all pointing towards the goal of becoming consistently profitable in the market. And you can do that. You have the opportunity to do that when you join us here in the premium membership community, because you get trades like this delivered directly to your cell phone in real time. You can see that our winners are almost twice as big as our losers. Yes, we do lose. Losing is a part of trading, but we do use sound risk management. And that's why our wins are twice as big as our losses. You can see that since July, the portfolio is up $216,000 in about that 7 or 8 month period of time. And the reason we're able to do this is because we have a proven strategy that we use on every single trade that we make. All right. And we have this strategy is very simple. It's easy to use. I use it. My members use it, and you can use it too. And you honestly don't even have to use it, because you have these alerts sent directly to your cell phone. So with that said, I'd like to invite you to join the premium membership community, where you're going to receive the buy and sell alerts. All right. So if you've bought and sold trades at the wrong time and you've lost money, or you're not confident about when the right time to get in or out is, then you have to join this membership community, because you can instantly reduce your losing trades and at the same time become consistently profitable in the market, finally. And this is how you do that. The first thing that you're going to get access to when you sign up and you join is access to the easy to follow real-time trade alerts. And these are sent to your cell phone in real time for both the buys and the sell. Anytime I'm entering a position, I'm sending you a text message in real time. Anytime I'm selling a position or exiting a position, I'm sending you a text message in real time with my exact buy and sell prices. All right. And this is going to allow you to finally consistently profit in the market, not making money one week and losing it the next, or never feeling like a hamster running on a wheel and never really going anywhere with your account. You're going to be able to finally get to that destination and realize what profitable trading looks like. Here's a couple of recent trades that we've taken that, if you were a member at that time, you would have been able to profit alongside of us. The next thing you're getting access to is full access to that real-time portfolio tracker. I just showed you a little snippet of it. It shows all of our trades, entries, exits, and everything in between. And it also lists our open positions, which has the targets and these stop losses listed there for your convenience. And the reason we give you access to this portfolio tracker is, first and foremost, it's our way of being 100% completely transparent with you, okay? Every single trade that we take is put on that portfolio tracker, whether it's a win or a loss or a break-even trade. It goes on that tracker, and it's our way of just being completely upfront and honest with you, all right? And that is rare in this industry, all right? And the next reason we give you access to this is because it's a good way to help you learn and show you exactly what profitable trading looks like, okay? Because not everybody knows what that looks like. Most people actually don't know what that looks like. And I'm assuming if you're like most people, you haven't been able to experience that, which is why you're watching this and which is why you want to join today. And you're going to be able to see the wins and the losses and everything in between and how it stacks up and equates to profitable trading. The next thing you're getting access to is the professional trading watch list. And these are covered via video. And this is our way of preparing you for these trades ahead of time. So almost every single trade that we take is prepared for ahead of time. So you know what to expect. You know the strategy we're using. You know what it looks like on the chart. You know the position we are looking to take and the parameters for the exit and the entry. All right. So we don't just throw out these alerts and hope that you can follow along. You're prepared for ahead of time so you know exactly what to expect and the reasoning behind the trade. The next thing you're getting access to is the exclusive member-only videos. And in these videos, we update these several times a week, and this is going to give you a live snapshot on what's going on in the market. We update you on the current open positions and cover any educational topics that I feel is relevant to that point in time. We also discuss the actual trades that we've taken so you can learn exactly why we took the trades, the strategy behind it, why the stop loss is where it is, why the target is where it is. And it's all about learning and growing. So you're not just going to be able to make consistent returns in the market, you're going to actually be able to learn a proven process. And the next thing you're getting access to is a bonus, and this is full complete access to our education library. And this is full of over 200 comprehensive videos that are going to help you learn how to trade the markets profitably. First and foremost, a big thing that is in these videos is our Options Accelerator course. If you're new to options or you're unsure about options or you just want to brush up on the right way to do options, then these videos are going to be great for you. The next thing that is included in this video library is our complete strategy from A to Z. I teach you the strategy we use for every single trade that we take. And that alone is worth 10 times the cost of the membership, right? So the next thing you're getting access to is me. And you get to ask me any questions, talk to me about trades, anything under the sun that's going to help you make money in the market. And you can access to me virtually 24/7 via email. You can respond to the text message alerts and I'll reply directly to your cell phone, or you can meet me in the live chat on the website. Totally up to you, but there's a lot of options and ways to access me. All right, and I'm here to help you hold your hand and help you make money in the market. That's my number one goal. And the next thing here, if you scroll down, you're going to see everything that you're going to get access to today when you sign up and you join. And it is over a $2,000 value, and you can sign up today for only $787. This is a special offer we're doing for a limited time. It's the lowest price we've ever offered the annual membership. So this is 12 months of access for only $787, and this is a value of over $2,000. All right, so click this button and you're going to be taken to the 100% secure checkout page. Enter in your name, your email, your phone number, and this needs to be a valid phone number because this is how you receive the buy and sell alerts. A valid cell phone number that you can receive text messages on because this is how you receive the buy and sell alerts. Choose a password, scroll down here and enter in your billing information. If you want to check out with PayPal, that is totally up to you, and you can click that button right there. All right, so once you do either of those things, check out with PayPal or credit card, debit card, totally up to you. Once you do that, you're going to get instant access to everything that we discussed today. Most importantly, you are getting these real-time trade alerts sent directly to your cell phone with profitable trade alerts sent to you on a regular basis, so you can finally become consistently profitable. So I hope that you make that decision for yourself to finally make real returns in the market on a consistent basis, month after month, quarter after quarter, year after year, and I'm really looking forward to helping you achieve your goals. I'll see you in there.